solar based smart saving machine. Here we have the solar panel. When we keep it in the sun rays, automatically this LED will be on, so that when the LED is in on state, that particular uh, energy will be stored in the batteries. Okay, that stored energy will be stored in the batteries. With that, here we turn on the power supply and its motor, sewing machine motor, and machine switch. When we press this, machine will get turned on, and when we release it, machine will be in the off state. In this way, solar based sewing machine will work.